Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Xiaomi AirDots 3 Pro. We unboxed the Xiaomi AirDots 3 before, now it's time for the 3 Pro. We will test the sound of these earbuds and the quality of them. We will talk about all of them in the end of this video. Throughout the video we will connect them with Android and iOS and show you how to use all of the features that we have here included. So let's go ahead without losing any time and start the unboxing. So we have noise cancelling obviously in the Xiaomi AirDots 3 Pro, and we have other function like Bluetooth 5.2, 10 meters range, 35 mAh per each bud, and 470 mAh in the charging case. Also we have Type-C charging and waterproof level IPX4. In the box itself you can see we have here other earpieces, the charger, all in the same color as the AirDots in the outside, silver, very good color, and down below we have the case of the AirDots itself, which we can see right now. And let's pull it out. You can see how well it's protected and is wrapped up for protection. Very good color, Redmi logo, and here we have the first look at the Xiaomi AirDots 3 Pro. You can see how beautiful the colors is and the design, which makes these earbuds very stunning. So you can see we have the white light here powered on, which means they are on. Let's put it in our ear and try to connect them with Android and iOS and see if we have any trouble at all. Let's go straight to the Bluetooth here in Android, pair new device. We have to find here the Redmi AirDots 3 Pro, which is right here. Press it, press pair, and that is all that it takes to connect these devices. Now we go straight to the YouTube and we try this song. The sound is very clear, very good. I have to say that the AirDots design is very good. It sits in your ear very snug. Double tap to change the song, one tap to play or pause. Triple tap we have again to change the song. We don't have any other specific option. And also we have the option when you pull it out of your ear, it will pause or play itself automatically. Again, double tap to play the previous song in the left side, and this is all that we have. Again, in the 3 Pro we have the same options that we have in the AirDots 3, and I said before that these are not enough options to have in these earbuds because they are very good and they are very new to have these less options. You can see in the iOS we have to pop up the cap and keep the device inside, or the earbuds, so they can pair with the iOS. And after that you can take them out, put it in your ear and start listening some tunes. Same as in the Android we have in iOS 2. All the sound is the same. We have a very good sound, very good quality, and we don't have any difference. The option works perfectly the same as in the Android and iOS 2. So we don't have anything to test here else. We can say that the Xiaomi AirDots 3 Pro are very good. If you have these earbuds, comment down below, let me know how do they work for you and how much you like them. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.